$9,000?
Yeah, that's a good deal right there.
A good deal? I could have bought a new furnace with this.
But you didn't, okay? You called me, and you got to pay top dollar for this type of expertise. Come on, brother.
People might wise up to this guy eventually, but in the meantime, he's stealing all your precious customers during the busy season.
Babe, I'm running late. I'll see you later.
Okay, bye, baby. Listen, man, I can't afford this.
Damn. Ah. Who's that?
My wife?
That's your wife?
Yeah, that's my wife.
Okay, buddy. Listen. The price is the price. Okay? I take cash, credit, debit, Venmo, Cash App, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, British pounds, euros, whatever you want, brother, but I'm gonna need you to pay up.
And I'm gonna need you to get out of my house.
Stop flying by the seat of your pants. Let us bolster your digital presence. And if we can't help you, you don't pay a dime. Call us now.